So here at Active Pain Relief and Wellness, we offer a variety of tools for pain relief for conditions affecting your lower back, neck, and the joints in your body. We utilize a number of different tools, including platelet-rich plasma, as well and mesenchymal stem cells. We take both of those from your own body and inject them into the painful area with great success. You can always come in for a free consultation and see if any of these work for you. We also offer weight loss and longevity programs for people who are interested in jumpstarting the new year. If you're interested in weight loss, we utilize GLP-1 medications like tirzepatide and semaglutide, as well as daily phone calls, texts, and emails, depending on your preference, to help you keep on track. Among many other things, you can also get a free consultation for weight loss if you like. For both of those, you can visit our website at aprelief.com or give us a call at 503-336-3322. And we look forward to helping you have the best 2025 you can.